Oh, will you give Mita money when you grow up?
Can
you give money? Can you give Mita's money
Tapos, kapag ka babae
grow
lalaki,
up?
No, I'm asking you, when you grow up, will you be giving Mita money?
Can you
No.
Mama,
Yes or no?
Mita's
Will you give me...
money?
Magaling ka, ha? Will you give Mita money?
Give Mita's money?
You look at Mita. Will you give Mita money?
Yes or no?
yes or no?
Will you give Mita?
Can you
Will you give Mita money when you grow up?
Can you give me
No.
Can you give me money and
Ay, no more McDo. No more Dodo pala.
Kasi
I want-
tinatanong mo kung
I want
bibigyan
the-
ka niya
I
money.
want
Bigyan mo din daw siyang
Mita.
money para bigay niya sa'yo.
Yeah.
Mita when you grow up.
Will you give me money when you grow up? Ha?
Can you give me the Mita's money when you grow up?
No.
Why?
Gulo mo kausap ko. Parang lasing.
Baho.
What? Your kinikilis baho? Your kinikilis baho? Will you give me the money when you grow up? What's that? What's that?
Silly funny.
Silly funny? Silly funny?
Silly dance.
Let me see your silly dance. What?
Tigas ng gusto ko.
Is that your silly dance? Wow. Wow.
Ay, look at.
Oh my gosh, Chinchin, sa pinaka, sa ano ka?
Context lang sa dito.
Pinaka?
Problem solving, rational expressions, polynomial functions, linear
Tignan saan,
relationship
tignan
with
saan.
probability.